Yeah, man. I had to do it, bro. I had to do it. I'm not falling for the okie doke like I've done before. I had to pull the trigger on these joints before it was too late, and I think it might be the best time for you to snag them as well. You're gonna see what we got in today's unboxing. These showing some heat, man. Let's get into it. Yo, what's going on, everybody on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like I said, bro, we got some heaters to unbox. Hence, while we do have the Rambo knife, we got some heat in the box, man. Before we get into this video, before we get into this unboxing, if you guys are a sneakerhead, if you know you're a true sneakerhead and you tapped into today's video, all I ask you guys to do is hit that subscribe button. This is where all sneakerheads come, bro. We chop it up in the comment section. We see early sneakers. We see what's popping in the sneaker community. So if that's you, man, if you're a sneakerhead, make sure you subscribe right now. And before we get any further in today's video, I gotta let you guys know about the best spot, the only spot your boy DeVintage goes and cops his, you know what I'm saying, nice crowns, nice fitteds, and that is Crown Minded. They sent over this crazy care package. They sent over a bunch of hats. And I said, yo, this right here stamps the approval. This one right here is where I'm going to get all my hats. If you guys been watching the channel, you guys been seeing my videos, you know I always got a crispy fitted on, and Crown Minded is the best spot to go. And I'm gonna leave them down below in the description box so you guys can go check them out, get all your hat needs, fitteds, snapbacks, whatever you do rock, Crown Minded is the way to go. So like I said, they sent over this crazy care package. I want to get through the hats first, man. They sent over a bunch of hats that I gotta show you guys, and it looked like they sent over some heat, man. So let's go ahead and browse through a couple of these that they did send over. You guys know, bruh, I don't know all the MLB teams, but I definitely rock the hats. So don't mind me if I do mispronounce or say a different name than what the hat is actually called, man. But for the first one, we do have an Arizona cap right here, man. Super nice. Got the teal and the brown brim. Next, we got this crazy Miami Dolphins hat right here, man. I'm loving it. I got a couple kicks literally right behind me that I can rock with this. Oh man, this one cold. This one is cold, bro. Jackie Robinson 75-year edition right here, bro. Got the maroon, got some gold hits in there, and then the under brim got a nice tan. Another LA Dodgers right here. This is a Jackie Robinson edition. Check out the side patch, check out the colors, check out the hits, man. This one right here is super clean. You already know, bro. My boy Brian over there, they sent over this clean Los Angeles Lakers cap. They got another Brooklyn's right here. I forget the name of this team, but this is a Brooklyn's cap right here. Something different that I'm not used to seeing. They got all the kind of different colors on the crown. Got another Miami cap right here. It's kind of got like a little bit of violet hit in there, some pink. And then check out the underbrim. And then last two of my favorite, bro. Got a Los Angeles Dodgers cap right here. Check out that crazy side patch. And we do have a Chicago's cap right here, man. Super nice. Probably one of my favorite teams to go get anything with Chicago on it. Because of course, you know what I'm saying, Jordan played in Chicago, so all the hats definitely hit home for me. And I got something very special for you guys. Shouts out to Crown Minded. They will be giving everybody that checks out with them a discount code. All you gotta use is DeVintage, and it will save you 10% off your entire order. And if your purchase is over $10, you will get free shipping. Win-win situation. Go check them out. Go save some money. Use the discount code DeVintage and check that link in the description box, man. All right, man. So here we have it, bro. The time is here. The time is now. And I be doing these videos a lot, man. So if there's something that you are interested in seeing, me telling you guys when the best time might be to pull the trigger when it comes to resale value. You know, I'm not a huge, I'm not really into resale value per se, but if it's a price, you know what I'm saying, the price is right, I gotta let you guys know. And just looking over the years of how some of these Jordans have been moving, I kind of give you guys my best recommendation to y'all as far as pulling the trigger on some of these things. So let's go ahead and get into it, bro. Shouts out to the lovely Godap, man. Godap, I've been rocking out with them for some years. Y'all know the spiel. When I was living overseas in Germany, when I figured out they do ship over to, APO boxes, that's when I said, yo, y'all won me over, and I've been shopping with them ever since. You guys have been seeing me unbox a couple of grill unboxings from them. So if you guys have been questioning the Godap, bro, Godap is the way to go for me. Always shop with them, man. So let's go ahead and get into here, bro. We got to get into it, man. Enough talking. You're probably like, yo, what did he grab? And I'm already looking at the box, bro. I'm already looking at the box, man. And the box is looking fire. So let's go ahead and flip it open because I did unbox it upside down. And I feel like once I show you that box, y'all gonna know exactly what these are, man. Let's go. Let's go ahead and get into it, bro. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see what we have in the box right here. So if you guys have been, watching a lot of videos recently, this has probably been a shoe that's been trending. A lot of people have been wanting to add this to the collection because of the story behind it. So let's go ahead and read them, bro. Women's Air Jordan 1 Low OGSP, and the official colorway is Canary, Racer Blue, and Light Silver. And I got these things in a size 10.5 in women, which is a size 9 in men. And let's get into it, bro. Let's get into it. Hold on, flip the top open. Of course, you guys see the GOAT card right here. And y'all see it, bro. We got some Cactus Jacks here, bro. We got some Cactus Jackson. Let's go ahead and flip it open, bro. I literally went to a sneaker event the last week trying to find these, and I said I have to have them because nobody literally had them in the event except for one person, and that was Jada Sneaker Guys. So let's go ahead and see them. Okay. Oh man, your boy finally got them, bro. Your boy DeVintage has them, bro. The Air Jordan 1 Low Elkin Canary, guys, man. Shout out to Travis Scott. Let me go ahead and pull both of these out of the box. I know y'all probably like, yo, I can't believe he pulled the trigger. Yes, I did. Come with some extra laces right there, as you guys can see. But we have to pull both of the sneakers out of the box. And whew, these things is so cold, man. Y'all see them, bro. The Canary Air Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott. And I know you probably seen the resale. I know you probably seeing, you know, how they've been moving on GOAT, how they moving on StockX, and they dropped a little bit, bro. They did drop about, you know, a good 30, 40 bucks. And now I've been seeing the last sales, and they've been trending upwards. But you guys see them, man. Oh my God, bro. They just feel even better, look even better now that I've had my personal size in hand right now. Definitely gonna be getting a lot of fits out of these, but you can see, bro, super dope. It had a lot of details on here. The quality is immaculate, and the colorway is different. You know, usually we see, you know, mocha, you know, we see some olives on Travis Scott. We even see some, you know, British khaki colorways, but this one went all the way far left. And this was inspired by his high school. I think it's Elkins High School, and they have these canary colorway, bro. I'm really rocking out with it. The story is dope. Got the huge backward swoosh on these guys right here. And like I said, bro, has some significance. And this is a shoe that we're not going to see ever again released. They're not going to restock these. They're not going to re-retro the Canary Elkin Travis Scott lows. And that's why that price is starting to trend back upwards. Everybody has their pair in. Everybody's either figuring out if they're going to keep them, if they're going to sell them. And I made my mind up, bro. I said I had to have them. But just look at a close-up, man. Look at the quality, bro. And it's like a new buck all where you see the yellow on these guys. And of course, you have the leather hit on the mid panels, toe box, and of course, you know, the Nike suit. You already know you got the infamous Cactus Jack Sickio emoji on the back of the heels. And then something dope about the Travis Scott I always thought about when it comes to the Air Jordan 1s is how they have the Cactus Jack on the inner of your Air Jordan 1. And if I'm not mistaken, bro, this has to be a first. This has to be a first for Travis Scott. They added the gum bottoms on these ones, bro. The gum bottoms definitely, you know, make me a little bit, you want to get something a little bit more because you can rock it a lot more. It's not translucent, it's not white. Wipe it down real quick, and that gum bottom definitely lasts a lot longer than, of course, a translucent or just a plain, you know, brown, mocha, or white outsole. So my laces fell out the box, but you did get these, I think this is like a red laces, and then you also have some blue laces that came in it. My box literally came all messed up, but you got some blue laces that came with these, and of course they come equipped with the yellow laces in these Travis Scotts. I need you guys to let me know down below in the comment section if you think I pulled the trigger at the right time. I think I paid around $450. When I went to the event, like I said, I did not see these anywhere. Super limited Air Jordan 1 Low. Definitely probably gonna go down a lot of people's top 10. And we had a discussion at the sneaker event, and I was talking to Jumpman Chris, talking to, you know, Jay Sneaker Guy.
Aries, what we doing?
One question. So is this top 10 sneaker of the year? Is it one of the top 10?
Yes. It's in the top 10. It's up there though. It's not top 5.
Okay, that's interesting.
I'm a big hype beast.
Cause I was just talking to him. He said this ain't top 10 at all. So now we got two. We got two of the guys.
I don't know. It's just like it's been. I don't know.
Yeah.
Well, I'm about to reconsider it because now I got to think about it because there's not a lot really been coming out so
The
far.
colorway, man. It's just I think the colorway pops. You know what I'm saying?
But it's also because we never seen a Travis Scott this color. Now that you said that.
It's always mocha or
it's always like
tan
a mocha or
something like that.
olive. Okay,
top
Jay.
10.
Definitely top
10.
10.
Jay
It is
always
not,
got it, bro.
It's
I
not
told
top
you,
5. It's definitely not top 5.
That's top 5. and they agree with it, bro. This has to be a top 10 release, especially up until now when it comes to Jordan Brand, or even speaking in general as far as sneakers, bro. I don't know if you guys can peep it, but you do get the red Jumpman on the insole, and then I'm checking out the other side, you have Travis Scott on the inside of this one. This is my first Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott in a long time. I did have the Mocha lows back in the day. I think it was about 2021 or 2020. I sold them, you know what I'm saying, I had to let them go. A new fresh pair in the collection, the Canary Air Jordan 1 low, guys. And like I said earlier, I try to do these videos to help you guys out, because I know a lot of people that's checking the market, seeing how these prices is moving and stuff like that. But when it comes to these, when it comes to the J Balvins, I think the prices are at rock bottom. This is the lowest I think they're going to get. And next year, end of the year, I'm telling you, bro, the price is going to skyrocket, because this has a story. This is the actual story behind this Air Jordan 1 low. It's themed off of something that has some meaning, which definitely separates this one from all the other Travis Scotts that we have gotten in the past. So not only did I go grab the Travis Scotts, I had to add them to the collection. You guys know I did unboxing yesterday of the Air Jordan 17 Lightning lows. I had to have these, bro. It's on my bucket list. It was on my, you know, must cops of the year. And now, you know, your boy is staying true to his word. I had to have it. It's also another Air Jordan coming that has released, and a couple SBs that your boy got to go and snag and add back in the collection, because, bro, I'm not waiting too late. It's not happening, bro. That's the meaning of these videos, bro. I'm not waiting too late anymore. I'm not going to wait 6 months and the prices are going for, you know, $700, $800, bro. I'm going to do it now. This is what I want, and I recommend you guys to do it as well. If you really do want a sneaker and it's really low at that time being, it might be the best time too, you know what I'm saying? Snag a couple of these pairs you really, really want, man. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. This is where all the sneakerheads come and chop it about sneakers, upcoming releases, shop drops, restocks, and all that good stuff. So if you don't miss out on any of that, make sure hit the notification bell as well. Leave a huge like on today's video. That puts this video in the algorithm. It shows YouTube you guys enjoying the content, and that keep your boy motivated. We need to get these likes back up, man. If we can get this video up to 500 likes, that'll be greatly appreciated. And if you're still watching today's video, go ahead and comment "It's lit" down below, so I know you're still tapped in, locked in, watching the video, man, enjoying the vibe. I love y'all. Appreciate all the support. With all that's being said, man, your boy DeVintage gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.